how to change font size to small on Facebook Lite. So if you want to change your font size to small on your Facebook Lite, then first you need to open up your Facebook Lite application. After opening, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from there, you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy. From your settings and privacy, you need to tap on settings. Now from here, you need to go with the search, which will be in the top. And here, you just need to simply go with font. And here you may have an option of font size, but if you don't find the font size option on your Facebook Lite, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go back and then change your font size of your entire device. To do that, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for font size. Or just simply go with text size. Tap on it. And here you just need to simply go and select extra small or large, whichever you're comfortable with. That's how you can change your font size to small on your Facebook Lite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.